Spa is a good alternative. CAREBEAU is also a good alternative to ASANTEE. And if you're not looking for anything gang, you just want normal body scrub that you can use, you can definitely grab this one for yourself. Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another video. If you're seeing this face for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Naomi, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. On this channel, we talk about skincare, everything that has to do with skincare, what's buzzing in the skincare industry, what to use, what not to use, and just all the good stuff about skincare. So if you're interested in skincare, skincare junkie just like I am, welcome. I made a lot of videos about scrubs on my channel. I'm this kind of person that exfoliation is very important for me, and it should be important for you because exfoliation helps to get rid of dead skin on your body so that you can have like newer skin cells, your skincare products can work better. So basically it's very important that you are exfoliating your skin, okay? In as much as I'm an exfoliation junkie, I like to use the right products, okay? We don't want products that are going to strip our skin of its natural oils or just make our skin generally uncomfortable, okay? So today I'm going to be talking about the Kojic Spa Salt. I'm going to be talking about my personal review of the Kojic Spa Salt because someone has asked about this particular scrub, and I just said what's the harm in trying it out and letting you guys know my opinion about it. So if you want to know what I think about the Kojic Spa Salt scrub, keep watching this video. So this is it. This is the Kojic Spa Salt scrub. This is the turmeric and honey extract, okay? So like I always say, anything that has turmeric in it I really like. Turmeric is good on my skin. I always tell people like turmeric is really good. If you want to, like, when it comes to using scrubs for dry skin like ours, we are recommended to use like sugar scrubs, because sugar has moisture content. It helps to moisturize the skin, whereas salt for people that have oily skin, which for us Nigeria is very rare to have oily skin, but it's recommended that we use people that have oily skin use salt scrub, because salt scrub can help to control, or salt can help to control oil, because some people use Dead Sea salt, Epsom salt on their face. It helps to control oil, reduce oil, and all that good stuff, okay? So let me not bore you with the science. Let's get straight into extract variants. They have different variants. I'll leave on the screen. But it says get clean bright skin with aura radiant looking skin in 15 minutes. Exfoliating skin helps with spa salt, helps to nourish your skin. Basically how to use: after taking a bath, thoroughly exfoliate body with deep spa salt, leave it for a moment, then rinse with clean water. This is sea salt combined with kojic acid and turmeric extract to ensure that your skin is radiant and bright. It's made in Thailand. Of course, most of these scrubs are made in Thailand, okay? So let me just open for you guys to see. It's my light today. So this is how it is. You guys can see. So definitely apply on wet skin, because this is obviously spa salt. So apply on wet skin. This is how the spa salt is. It's definitely a salt. It has definitely has bigger particles than the CAREBEAU scrub. The CAREBEAU is very like really small particles. This one has a similar consistency to ASANTEE. It has that quartz this thing. Scrubs like this, you can direct them where you want them to go to. If you want them somewhere, you can definitely direct them the direction you want to have them go. It wants to smell a little bit like the Dr. Teal's body cream. It has that citrus smell to it, which isn't entirely bad, but when you use this, your bathroom smells citrus lemony, which is, it's okay. I'm not just crazy about it, I guess, because I already smell like in Dr. Teal's, so, but it's okay for me if I can smell this in my bathroom. I mean, your bathroom will be smelling really good. So that's about smell and consistency, guys, because I'm unable to function. I had to wash my hands, and so while I was washing my hands, there was something that was supposed to talk about. So I went to wash my hands. Can you see my hands? So I went and I washed my hands, and one thing I like about this scrub is that it foams. So just like ASANTEE and CAREBEAU and all of that, it definitely is soapy. But when you want to use this product, use it on a damp skin. Don't let your skin be extremely wet, because if it's extremely wet, it's going to melt. You're not going to see the particles that you want to use to scrub your skin. So just make sure your skin is damp but not like really wet, because when you put the spa salt, it's going to definitely melt, and then you won't see what you're scrubbing. It's just like you're rubbing it against your body. Okay, now this scrub seems like a scrub that will help with knuckles. Okay, I don't have dark knuckles. This is my hand. Anybody that wants to see you have dark knuckles, I don't know what else you're looking for, but this is how my hands are. I don't have dark knuckles, but I do think that it's something that will work for dark knuckles, because you know, like if you're someone who does nails a lot like me, when you put your hand into the UV lamp, when you come out, you notice that your hand is tanned. It's like as if you have knuckles, or your hand has been burnt, because UV light is just like sunlight, so you are exposing your hand to sunlight for a very long period of time. So I take this scrub and I just use it to exfoliate my hands immediately after doing my nails, because I usually take a sunscreen, but I forget sunscreen or oil, but I forget to use that, or I forgot to use that. And so immediately I got back, I took the scrub and I just used it to like exfoliate my hand, because that tan, it's better to get rid of it. And sometimes like I told the lady that does my nails, if you as a person, you can get scrub for your clients. If you're someone who does nails for people, you can get scrub or oil for your clients. They can apply the oil before doing their nails, or they can use the scrub to exfoliate after doing their nails. If you are using UV lamp, I think about 1,700 or 2,000. It's a cheaper alternative to ASANTEE. ASANTEE scrub is now so expensive because it's good, you know. It's cheaper than ASANTEE. It's cheaper than what's it called, CAREBEAU scrub. It's a cheaper alternative. Okay, rather it's soapy, but it's not something that you're very soapy. And like, you know, when I want to use my scrub, the best way for me to use my scrub is I like to take my soap, apply on my damp skin, and then take my scrub and exfoliate. Some people scrub before taking a bath. Some people scrub after taking a bath. Some people scrub while taking a bath. So I think the best ways for me is before using your soap. If your soap is a good soap, before using your soap or while using your soap. I don't really see the essence of scrubbing after using your soap, except maybe your soap is just a regular soap, but you want your cream to work better, then you can now exfoliate before using your cream. This is a lightening scrub. Okay, it is a lightening scrub. Like I said, I noticed that it helps with knuckles. You can also use it for your underarms. You can use it to scrub your underarms, use it to scrub your knees, your ankles, your elbows. You can use it to scrub those, you know, areas that are mostly darker than normal. But just one thing to notice that we are melanin or caramel or dark skinned or whatever, those areas are naturally supposed to be dark. The only thing is that if it's too dark, you can reduce how dark it is or how dark it appears. But don't kill yourself thinking that you want your leg and your hand to be even. That's not the way we're designed, I guess. Okay, so this is my review on the Nano Kojic Spa body scrub. It's a good scrub in my opinion. If you're looking for a scrub on a budget, this is your go-to. It still does similar things to ASANTEE and CAREBEAU, but it's also, just know that ASANTEE seems to be one of the best scrubs out there, as at my opinion. It seems to be one of the best scrubs out there. Kojic Spa is a good alternative. CAREBEAU is also a good alternative to ASANTEE. And if you're not looking for anything gang, you just want normal body scrub that you can use, you can definitely grab this one for yourself. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. If there's any question you have that I feel like I didn't answer in this video, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.